జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Aranyakanda. Ravanasura saying that, "Oh Maricha, when you scream just like Rama, saying that Ha Sita, Ha Lakshmana, then Sita will listen to those screamings, immediately asks Lakshmana, there is something trouble your brother got into. So you immediately have to go and protect your brother. Sitaya cha prachoditaha." When Sita says like that, Lakshmana, having so much of love and affection upon his brother, anugacchati sambhrantaha saumitrihi sakhrudat. Hurriedly he would just leave ashramam and go to Rama to protect him. When Rama and Lakshmana are not there at the ashramam, O Maricha, then as and how Devendra abducted Sachi Devi, I am going to Anayishyami Vaidehim, abduct Sita. O Maricha, after this project is done, after you helped in this aspect like this, Yadheshtam Gacha, then you can go anywhere. I won't stop you. Maricha, for the help that you are doing to me, in return, Rajyasya Ardham Prayachami, I will give you half of my kingdom. Oh Maricha, come on now, start to get your work successfully done. Now start. I am also going to be following you in my chariot. Aham Tvam Anugamishyami. I will also just come along with you into Dandakaranyam. Oh Maricha, like this, if we do like this, I don't have to fight with Rama anymore. Vanchayitvatu Raghavam. While by cheating Rama like this, I can get Sita. I can successfully finish this job, and then we will go back to Lanka happily. Maricha, but if you don't want to do what I am saying, Nachet Karoshi Maricha, Hanmitvam, Aham Adya Vai, right now I am going to kill you here itself. That is why, Maricha, even if you don't like to do it, you have to do it. There is no other option for you. Ragnyo hi pratikulastho najatu sukhamedhate. There is no one in this entire creation can be happy by going against me. And also, Maricha, I would like to tell you one more thing. Now you are going to go to Rama to cause harm to Rama. That is why there is a very, very less chance that you would be able to escape from Rama with your life. Rama would definitely kill you. And also, now if you think that and don't want to go there and do it, I will kill you right now. Now you decide. Krityam kuru tat tadhatvam. What you supposed to do, you decide right now and do it right now. Like that, Ravana forcing Maricha to help in his Sitapaharana work. Now Ravanasura getting back to Maricha saying that, "Oh Maricha, I am the king. You should not be speaking so rudely to me." And Ravanasura showed all of his kingship, all of his domination upon Maricha. Then now Maricha again saying back to Ravanasura with the same amount of rudeness, and strongly he is getting back now, saying that, "Oh Rakshasa Raja Ravana, someone who gave you this idea, he must be a big sinner. He gave you this dreadful, very scary idea to abduct Sita Devi. O Ravana, with this, you, your entire kingdom, all your ministers, everything is going to be completely destroyed." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.